Wake up and chase your dream. Your dreams are valid, and your journey is worth every step. To all the students out here, I understand the pressure you're under. The constant demands of exams, assignments, and expectations can sometimes feel suffocating. But I want to remind you that every late-night study session, every moment of frustration, and every setback is molding you into the person you're destined to become. Your hard work today is laying the foundation for a brighter tomorrow. So, keep pushing forward, keep challenging yourself, and never lose sight of the incredible potential that lies within you. To the businessmen and women among us, I salute your courage and tenacity. Building a successful business is no easy feat. It requires relentless determination, the ability to adapt to change, and the courage to take risks when others hesitate. Yes, there will be days when the challenges seem insurmountable, when the odds are stacked against you, and when failure feels imminent. But remember this: every setback is a setup for a comeback. The most successful entrepreneurs are not those who have never failed, but those who have risen stronger each time they've fallen. So, keep innovating, keep persevering, and never lose sight of the vision that propels you forward. And to those facing life's toughest battles, I want you to know that you are not alone. Life has a way of throwing curveballs when we least expect it, testing our strength, resilience, and faith. But in the face of adversity, remember this: you are stronger than you think, braver than you know, and capable of weathering any storm that comes your way. Your dreams may be deferred, but they are never invalidated. Every setback is an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to emerge even stronger than before. So hold on to hope, lean on your support system, and never lose sight of the light at the end of the tunnel.